Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process of checking your NSFAS application status for the year 2025. If you have applied for the National Student Financial Aid Scheme, NSFAS, and want to know if your application has been approved or if there's any update, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your device. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you use. Step 2. Go to the official NSFAS website. In the browser's search bar, type www.nsfas.org.za and press Enter. This is the official NSFAS portal where you can check your application status securely. Step 3. Click on the NSFAS tab. Once the NSFAS homepage opens, look for the NSFAS tab located at the top of the page. Click on this tab to proceed. Step 4. Log in to your account. You will be directed to a login page. Enter the following details: ID number or passport number, depending on what you used during your application. Password. This is the password you created during the application process. If you haven't created an account yet, click on Create an Account to register. Step 5. Access your application status. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your NSFAS account dashboard. Look for the Application Status section on the homepage or in the main menu. Here, you will see the current status of your application. If your application is successful, you will see a message indicating your approval. If your application is still under review, you will be notified that the status is pending. If your application was unsuccessful, you will be provided with details on why it was not approved. Step 6. Review your status and next steps. If your application has been approved, you can proceed with further instructions to accept your funding. If you encounter issues or need to appeal, there will be options provided to help you resolve any problems. Step 7. Keep your contact information updated. Make sure your contact details are up to date on the NSFAS portal to receive important notifications via email or SMS regarding your application status. Additional tips. If you experience any issues logging in, ensure you're using the correct login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking the Forgot Password option. If the NSFAS portal is down for maintenance, try again after some time. That's it. Following these steps will help you easily check your NSFAS status. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Good luck with your application, and we hope to see you receiving your NSFAS funding soon.